Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing how to make an combined ROC graph, something like this. So I've made a ROC graph in the previous video. Please do check that before coming here. So in this video, I'll be doing a combined graph. I'll be pulling all the ROC. So this is a previously done ROC curve graph. So I've done a detailed video. You can check that, something like this. So I've done three ROC graphs. So I'll be combining into a single one. So let's go ahead. So I'll just give it as combined. So it would be ggplot, but a blank one. So I'll be adding all the graphs into the ggplot. So ggplot jump path. So I'll be giving the data as color, which is for the first graph. So line width, aesthetic for the x-axis, which would be x, and would be y. Color, just give it as IL6 for the first one. That would be the name for the legend. So again, the next one, color IL10, line width, aesthetic would be the same. Then show legend 2. For the third one, again the same one, ILTNF. So I'm giving different line width so that the graphs don't overlap. So in case your graphs don't overlap, you can just give the same line width. So first let's see the graph. So I forgot to import the library ggplot2. So now let's run the graph. So the graph is done. Let's see the graph. So here's the graph, the blank theme. Let's go and improvise the theme. I'll be labeling the graph hidden. So an add line. Next I'll be changing the scale of the axis, which goes for scale continuous x-axis. Expand 0 0 would start the axis from 0 0. The same for the y-axis. I'll be changing the color of the graphs. So scale color manual. So the order goes for purple, red, and green. So next would be the theme. So the title of the graph. Face equals bold. Next the text. Next the panel background. I would be removing the background, which is element blank. The borders. So I'll be adding a border. For that, the color and the line width for the border. Fill will be NA. Next the axis title. So the text, the size, and the color and the font can be done with this. In case you want to give a different sizes for different axes, it would be axis dot x dot title and y dot title. So that is done. So we have our combined ROC curve. So the same way can be pulled for multiple graphs. Like, share and subscribe.